Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The time on a clock is 3 o'clock. How many right angles the hour and minute hands has to travel for the clock to show 9 o'clock? So let's see, this is the clock and this is also a clock. Let's see. So we are given that right now the time is 3 o'clock. So this is the position of hour and minute hand. And at 9 o'clock, this is going to be the positions of hour and minute hand. This is again minute hand and this is hour hand. So in a clock, right angle is formed by hour and minute hand every 15 minutes. That is every quarter hour. That is every quarter hour. There are 4 quarter hours in 1 hour. Between 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, we have 9 minus 3 equal to 6 hours, which have 6 into 4 equal to 24 quarter hours. Quarter hours between 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Therefore, the hands have to travel 24 right angles for the clock to show 9 o'clock. So 24 is the answer.